I am Bishop Robert Muhiirwa Akiki, the Bishop of Fort Portal Diocese. And I'd like to pass on special greetings to everyone, more particularly to the Catholic community of Fort Portal Diocese and beyond. I'd like to appreciate the Uganda Episcopal Conference for this new venture of the Uganda Catholic Television. This is a new venture that is going to bring us the good news for all. And so I like to appeal to all our viewers to tune in to UCTV, the television that is going to bring us many good new insights concerning the church, concerning the world, so that we can be fed and be informed of many things which are holistic for the good of everyone. And we have a special regard for the youth because they make the majority of the population. So I'd like to urge the youth also to tune in because a good number of programs will be for you, the youth, the young people. And I'm sure you'll find them educational and they'll help you for your life for now and the future. I would like to appreciate the different dioceses for the contributions which were made earlier when we started the collections to solicit funds for the starting of this television. We thank you very much, and we shall continue to ask for your support so that these programs on the television are well viewed and also supported. I'd like to conclude by wishing you God's blessings as I bless you in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.